My name is Faith. I adopted a group of siblings in 2022. So I decided to adopt at least 2 siblings after my husband and I came back from Norway, where we found that unfortunately, even if we'd had IVF, I wouldn't be able to carry full term. When the social worker said to us that we were suitable not only for 2 sibling group, but a larger one, that was interesting news. It shocked us, and it was like, oh my goodness, this could become a reality, having a larger sibling group. And it was a lot to process, and for a long time, we kept that to ourselves, my husband and I, because we wanted to make sure that it was right for us. And it's really good for the siblings as well. If people can keep them together, that's huge for them, because these children have been through so much trauma. If they can have their brothers and sisters next to them, it makes such a difference to them. If the younger ones are unsure and the older ones are on board, that's huge. That says that these people are safe. They're our forever family. They're here to support us. So it does really, I genuinely believe, it helps that sort of bonding as well when you have sibling groups. It definitely worked for us. There are things that you recognised as shared or even individual trauma in a sibling group. For our children, knowing that there is always food is a huge thing. When we started, we'd actually put a menu of what you were going to have in the day so they knew what was coming up. But one of the things that we made that decision on early on, even before they moved in, was we would always serve food to the table in like family service. So there was always a massive lasagna and garlic bread and stuff. So when they were served, they knew there was more. That helped massively, but for some of our children, they still always sort of look, is there enough food? What have they got that I haven't? And that's really hard to see. They don't like it as well when the kitchen, say you've been cooking, and gets untidy. For some of our children, they find that really stressful. So what I will say is, guys, can you go play in the other room? My mummy and daddy clean up, because you like a nice clean space. And working through that and being honest does help. You know, it's about recognizing that it's not you, but you are fighting something that only they have experienced.